Hey, it wants to do that way now. Okay, what's up? It's Goggles. I went to the gas station for some brewskis, and the clerk had never seen FPV or never really heard of it. So I went to go rip a pack and show him what FPV is. So this is what that is. It's not like me ripping super hard or anything like that, doing fancy tricks. But yeah, here's that flight. So here you go. Ooh. And thanks for hanging out and watching my goofy ass dumb channel of me flying analog FPV drones around. I know analog's dying, it's moving on to digital stuff, which is fine, but I like my trashy, dirty DVR, grainy looking VHS tape kind of look. I like it, and I like the latency. The latency is really nice on it. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up and reuse this shout out list because I went digging for it and still can't find it. So yeah, on to the shout outs. Joe Photo Leo, Will C FPV, Bartman Dude, I hope you're doing alright. Safe Zone FPV, Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, Blunty, Joshua Bardwell, X-Jet, RC Model Reviews, which is X-Jet's other channel, Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman, and Shaky FPV, Zoe FPV, Granny FPV, and Freedom FPV. Yeah, thanks for watching and sharing and liking and watching my dumb channel. You guys have a good one.
What? That's just Pinky Boy.